This is Kelly and Jordan, and I'm Andrew, a Lowe's Red Vest associate. Hey guys, I'd love to know, what's your biggest pet peeve when it comes to bathroom design or function?
Lack of storage in a bathroom can be pretty unfortunate, but we did luck out with a pretty good vanity that has a lot of storage. More counter space would be nice though.
I can definitely help with that.
I think adding a pop of color to the vanity would be really nice. Getting some new hardware is gonna really update the space.
Those are great ways to revamp your vanity, so you don't have to start from scratch. For those who haven't watched yet, be sure to check out the video of Kelly and Jordan lime washing their walls and installing peel and stick tile floors. So here we go. How to revamp your vanity with real customers guided by real Lowe's Red Vest associates. All right, Kelly and Jordan, how do you want to revamp your vanity?
I do like the function of our current vanity. I just think giving it a fresh coat of paint would liven it up.
Yeah, and just adding a nice new marble top will be amazing.
I can see it. Let's check out Lowe's.com to see what's available. And with my Lowe's Rewards Silver Key status, we can ship directly to you for free. To pick your paint for the vanity base, let's start by filtering down the latex or oil-based products for the best adhesion.
Wild idea. What about like a dark red? A little nervous about the red?
You know, I am, but if you think it's gonna work, then I trust that.
Ooh, I really like this one.
I think we found a winner.
Let's do it.
I love the bold choice. Now what are you thinking for gloss? Semi-gloss or satin are most common in bathrooms because they're durable and hold up well in damp spaces.
I think the satin would be a good finish.
Yeah, let's keep it classy.
Before you check out, add on that new hardware and faucet set to complete the look. Here are the majority of the tools that Kelly and Jordan will need to refresh their bathroom vanity. And here are most of the materials they'll need for the project. We'll begin by removing your vanity top. The first and most important step is to turn off the main water supply to the bathroom. The water valve is usually under the sink, towards the back. Use a flathead screwdriver to turn the valve clockwise until fully closed. Run the faucet to check if the water is off.
Looks like we're clear.
Nice. Since your faucet is connected to the vanity, we'll need to disconnect the pipes under the sink. Put a bucket or towel underneath it to catch any residual water in the pipe. Next, you'll remove the P-trap, the bigger P-shaped pipe that connects your sink to the water drain. Then, disconnect the water supply tubes. Those are the two thinner tubes on either side of the drain.
I got it.
Good job.
Now, out with the old, in with the new. Remove any old caulk holding the current vanity top in place. We'll bring in that shiny new sink after a fresh paint job. Kelly and Jordan have a lot of projects in the works in this space. They decided to move the vanity outside the paint. You can totally paint your vanity in place if you can't or don't want to move it. First, unscrew all that old hardware on the existing vanity. Since Kelly and Jordan's vanity is all wood, they just need to give it a proper clean and some sanding to prep it for painting. For surfaces with gloss or paint, use a paint stripper or sand with 200 grit sandpaper. The goal here is to remove any residue and add surface texture for better paint adhesion.
Think it's ready?
Yeah, let's prime.
Now apply a latex primer. Make sure you pick a product with high adhesion that's made specifically for cabinets.
Prime time, let's go.
Once the primer has dried, vacuum up any dust and wipe the surfaces with a soft, damp cloth. Now let's see that beautiful color.
I'm so excited for this color.
You and me both, cheers.
Roll on a full coat of paint. Use a trim paintbrush to fill in those hard to reach spots, like edges.
How you feeling about the color here? We're almost done.
I really like it. I think the second coat is really gonna darken the red. We were a little nervous about the red.
I was, but I should know not to doubt you.
Make sure the first coat dries completely. Then add 1 or 2 more coats for complete, even coverage and a smooth finish.
think this is our last coat.
Should we let it dry?
Yeah.
Once the paint is dried overnight, bring it inside and reassemble the vanity. Now, let's install that shiny new vanity top. Make sure the new top is centered, with the faucet holes facing the wall, then secure it in place with fresh caulk.
Oh, nice, we didn't drop it.
It looks really good with the vanity.
All set.
Add in that new faucet set by following the instructions in the box. You'll do what you did for the removal, but in reverse, reattaching the supply tubes and the P-trap to the drain. For a detailed breakdown, check out how to replace a bath faucet on the Lowe's YouTube channel. Now, for the moment of truth. Turn back on your bathroom water supply. Test the tap and check the drain pipes and supply lines for any leaks.
Honors?
Yeah. Got it.
Impressive. Now it's time to add in your shiny new hardware and give the whole room a good clean. From outdated to upgraded. This was Kelly and Jordan's bathroom before, and this is their bathroom after. Talk about a glow up.
I really like this color, the pop of red.
You know I had my doubts, but I should know to trust you moving forward because I absolutely love it.
And also, I mean, painting it is a pretty low risk project because if we absolutely hated it, we could always paint it again.
It's the perfect pop of color in here.
Really like it. The countertop, this marble veining,
classy.
and it's so soft.
And just
I
having
mean,
that backsplash now and
the backsplash is very helpful. You really rocked that plumbing.
knowing how easy the plumbing was, I wish we would have done this sooner.
Proud of you guys. And that's how to revamp your bathroom vanity. Thank you for watching. Everything you saw in this makeover is from Lowe's and is linked in the description below. Kelly and Jordan also lime washed their walls and installed peel and stick tile floors. Make sure to subscribe for more makeover content and leave a comment below to let us know what you think about this bathroom transformation.